Hey everyone, welcome to another video and another unboxing. It's all unboxings this week because I've had 3 new fragrances. So as you can see by the title, this one today is a Mancera and this one is Auod Blue Notes. Yeah, see right there. I got 2 sort of freshes from the brand. The other video will be out either before this one or after this one, not too sure, but you'll see them all this week. If you watch them as soon as I've put them up in the same week, you'll know which ones I mean. So let's get into it. I mean, I love my Manceras, so I've had, I think these, including these 2, I've now had about 10 Manceras. With these 2, this will be 6 in my collection. The others, like Red Tobacco, Royal Vanilla, a couple of others, they all come across a bit feminine in some parts of the whether it be dry down or the whole thing. Like Royal Vanilla for me was a bit on the feminine side. Loved it, but it was on the feminine side, so I got rid of that. Red Tobacco, it starts nice and that. As it dries down on my skin, it goes very floral and a little bit on the edging towards the feminine side for me. So my daughter has been gracefully given that. So unboxing this one, I've been sort of researching a little bit, just a little bit of research, watching some videos and things like that. What are the more sort of on the masculine side of fragrances, or straight down the middle, unisex, or heading towards the masculine side for Manceras. So I purchased these 2 and I got a couple more coming as well. But this one, Auod Blue Notes. I'm always excited to get a Mancera because you're pretty much my favourite brand. So I put that over there, and this little sort of, what would you call that, like a rose gold little pouch. So like the bottle, it's sort of like a aquatic blue going down to almost like a green and then clear. Really nice. I like the bottles of Mancera, and this one being the modern one, so it just pulls off. Magnetic cap. Put that there for a second. So first impressions. I like to get a good bit again. Ooh. Oh, I like the smell of this one. Straight away, this comes to my nose was powdery, fresh, powdery, a little woody, lighter than some of the Manceras, but then that doesn't mean nothing. As soon as they lash to the skin, they can last all day. And yeah, there's a lovely clean freshness to this one. Again, slightly powdery. The first thing that hit my nose is, oh, this is slightly powdery, and I love that. Oh, this is lovely. Or if you like clean, fresh, that sort of fresh powdery sort of feel that you get when you've had it. Yeah, you feel fresh and clean, and there's a bit of like talcum powder on you sort of thing, and you feel that, and you're getting that sort of kind of smell. There's a little bit of a like a watery smell, not like salty, like aquatic, but it's got a fresh, watery, clean, maybe even slightly soapy, but not really. Little bit of that powder. As soon as I sprayed that, I was up in the air. Yeah, that is going to be a it's going to be a staple of mine right there. That I can see me wearing this a lot. I just love that clean, fresh, watery, transparent vibe with a bit of touch of like a powdery side to it. A little backbone of a, maybe like a very clean musk, I would say. I thought woody, but now this is a very clean musk, and it feels a bit tacky, so it probably lasts on the skin pretty well. Very impressed with that. As I say, this comes up unisex. I mean, if it's just fresh and clean, Anybody can wear this, doesn't lean masculine or feminine right now. Nothing either way. And I think it might also enjoy a bit of time in the bottle, and it'll open up even more. But straight away, nice, I like it. So anybody else has tried Auod Blue Notes? Leave in the comment section. Do you like it, not like it? Is it something that you want to try maybe, and you've not got it, not tried it? Leave in the comment section. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and a subscribe if you haven't already. It'd really help me out. And so first impressions, really do enjoy this just stuff, first spray. So hopefully as it gets down, it'll open up a bit more and we'll get a bit more out of it, but right now it's nice as it is. So when I can smell a bit of, just before you go, is that sort of like a neroli or something similar in this is starting to come up. Anyway, thank you for watching and I'll see you again soon on the next video.